Raise your hand, Aaron.
Today we're in celebration of all the dogs we've lost. All the dogs that come up to us when we hit the front door and are frisky and paw us and that have loved us sometimes more than our own family. We're here for that particular occasion. Atlanta Boxer Rescue is over here to the right. Joanna, we're taking donations, so please guys visit that table. And for those of you who have lost dogs that you love this year, and raise your glass before we get this thing tapped off. We'll be announcing some dogs that we lost later on in the evening. And we're ready to party. If there are any drummers in the building. Dan in the audience. Dan, we're doing this moment of silence for Hugh Daney. He has 2 months to live.
Thank you.
All right, Dan. Dogs have a special place in all our lives. I remember my first dog, Princess. If I ever get a lot of land, first dog I'm going to run and get is going to be a full-blooded German Shepherd, because that's what Princess was. My mama couldn't spank me because Princess would try to chew her foot off. I couldn't wrestle in the yard because Princess would try to chew her friends alive. So dogs have a special meaning in our lives. So I'm going to go down this list, and starting with Diane, Pixie, was a boxer. Nikki was a husky. Mark. Allie, a Dachshund.
Officially pronounced the wiener dog.
The wiener dog. We're just going wiener dog. I'm sorry, Ramsey. That's Ramsey's dog. Polly, boxer. Linda Craig. Sasha, boxer. Jen Sands. Ty, mix. Pam Warrior. Emma, boxer. Joanna and Brent Oglesby. Brand, Rohomer. Kelly and Chris. Rolersky, did I pronounce that right? Yep. Max and EJ, yes, thank you. Max and EJ boxers. Kathy, standing next to me. Elvis, that's pretty cool. Boxer, CJ, Jacob. Layla, boxer. Meredith, Winthrop, sorry. Sully, boxer. Kara Brown, I can't read this pencil.
Sully that was Carol Brown.
Penny, I have a dog named Penny. Carlin and Val Smith. Scruffy and Sophie, Janice, Dempsey, Maureen. Hey, Maureen. Houdini. That's the box that we just gave a little time to. So let's, guys, let's just hold our hearts up and give it up for all these beautiful dogs that give so much to us.
Photographs on the wall.
Yeah, the photographs are on the wall in memoriam. But sometimes the animals that love us more than our actual friends and family. So, in memoriam for some of these, for our favorite friends, we're going to do a couple of songs. You ready? Yeah.
So you guys,
Favorite dog song, y'all sing along.
y'all can sing along, you can dance along, let's just celebrate.